I've been an apartment maintenance technician for over 15 years and have completed thousands of work orders over that time. Here's a list of some of the easiest, fastest work orders that I commonly see. In and out in under a minute. So easy, you could probably do them yourself. For this work order, I go straight to the breaker panel. For those wondering, this is what a breaker panel usually looks like inside of a multifamily home. While none of the breakers may look tripped, it's important to tap the breakers with your hand to see if one is tripped. Once you find the tripped breaker, push the breaker all the way to the off position until you hear the click. Then push the breaker all the way to the on position. 9 times out of 10, this is going to fix your problem, especially if it's an AFCI breaker. Look for the receptacle that may be labeled as a GFCI. There will be 2 buttons in the center of the receptacle. One is the test button, the other is a reset button. Push in the reset button. If you hear it click, it should restore power to that receptacle and all the other receptacles in that line. Sometimes this will be submitted as only top outlet works or only bottom outlet works. If there's only one affected outlet in the room, it's likely controlled by a toggle switch on the wall. This receptacle may also be installed upside down. This is done in many apartments so that a lamp can be plugged in to the receptacle and controlled by the toggle switch on the wall. This applies only to apartments that have storm doors and multiple lock points. If your patio door deadbolt won't engage when moving the deadbolt lever, give this a try. Lift up on the handle. This should engage the top, bottom, and side locks. Now try and engage the deadbolt lever. The door may now be securely locked. This is a common fix if it is an over-the-range microwave. The tenant will state the microwave has no power and that they checked the breaker. You should check inside the cabinets above the microwave to ensure that the power cord didn't get wiggled out of the receptacle. Same thing for your dishwasher if it does have a corded plug. Check to make sure that it didn't come loose. A lot of times a dishwasher will plug into a receptacle under the sink. Check the above tip and make sure it's plugged in to the receptacle. Next, check under the garbage disposal for a red reset button that may have popped out. If it is, push it in. If your disposal is still not working, you may need to unjam it. Check out this video here for different ways you can break free a jammed garbage disposal. Thanks for watching. I'm Dave. See you on the next one.